Take a ride in the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.